Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open my Studio Calico. What month is it? It's October. October, is it? That was fast, yeah. October kit. I was going to say September, but I already even used that. I'm so out of it. I need to drink my coffee. Okay, so I saw a few sneaks of the kit and wasn't a big fan of the color, so let me look around to see what we have here. Oh, that's really pretty though. These are really cute. I don't know how many are they here, but these are just tags. They're pretty small. I would say that they are like 2 by 3. And we have these tiny die cuts. Okay, I try to be surprised so I can be surprised for real when I open this, but sometimes the packages, they get me. And this is, oh, vellum. No, it's this one. Oh. Now this is really cute and on trend with the little layouts for planners that I've been seeing lately. But they're cute. Honestly, they're fine. Okay, I'm dropping them all. They're okay. The stamp set, I do like the stamp set. It's really cute. I love a grid. This is perfect for super tiny journaling. This flower is really cute. So if you get, I don't think they have a planner kit. They do have the Traveler's Notebook. So I think this is more like a planning for Traveler's Notebook sort of kit. Gather noteworthy good stuff. Here's the truth, and oh yes, are the sentiments that are in here. These are the chipboard stickers. They are cute. Just the colors are kind of muted, but I like them. They're cute. These I love. I don't know why. This is like the most simple thing ever. And I hope they have two like they usually do when they have. Oh no, they only sent one. Oh, I'm kind of bummed about that. But I do love this. You know, you can layer it. I guess if you put this, no, this would be the same color, in like a journaling, and here you stamp the date. That would be kind of cute. And these alphas, I freaking love this. I'm gonna get over my there's no number things because there never is any numbers, but I love, absolutely love this pattern, and now that I look at it, it would be kind of cool. Oh, if I could like die cut my letters in plain cardstock and then put these on top, that would be really cute. Okay, so you gave me an idea. Okay, we got the tags. We have the month, which I like this color. I was expecting orange, but I think September was orange. And maybe they didn't want to go with the obvious fall choice. Now I'm going to open the journaling cards. So these are the journaling cards. Let's take a look. I do love that flower with the word kindness. Oh, this is really cute. It's gonna be hard choosing between those two. We have be kind, flowers, be patient with yourself, nothing in nature blooms all year, memories. That's really pretty. Go explore. A day spent in nature is a day well spent. Love this. Oh, it's really pretty. I love the tags. I do love a list. Mushrooms. Oh, I love it so much. This was the worst. I love this. Today is going to be a great when you stop and look around, life is pretty amazing. I love the design of this card. It's really pretty. The usual rainbow card. It's really beautiful. I do love the sketchy images in this, in the cards. Currently exploring. Be the good that you want to see in everyone you meet. It costs nothing to be kind. I thought I wasn't going to be a big fan of the cards, but so far I really like them. They're different and they are like muted, but they're really pretty and they have a lot of cool items. I love this. This is kind of cute. This was the best. Ah, I like that. Today is wild and it's yours. Really nice. Notes. I love this. It's all in how you look at things. Nature walk. Oh, do I have a repeat? Yeah. I think they accidentally gave me 2 of 1. I hope I'm not missing any. If I am, oh well. October. I do love, I wish they included more of these monthly cards. Here and now. Caution, life happens, coffee helps. I love this. It's kind to be kind. I love the craft. And let's see now the 4x6 cards today. This reminds me of a collection from years ago. I can't remember the name. Maybe it's like a Maggie Holmes thing. I don't think so. Perfect for writing my journaling with my handwriting. Good vibes. What you water will grow. I love this card. It's so gorgeous. Both sides are really good. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. And another ledger pattern. And let me see. I like the kit. It's better than the one that we got. I think it was August, that had like a school theme. It was also muted and dark. I like it more than that one. It still wouldn't be my first choice. My favorite thing were the alphas. These are so awesome. I love the cards. These alphas are pretty cool. And I also like these ledger circles. I wish we got 2 sheets, but you know what? That's fine. These I can use with everything. And you can even use these stamps to like decorate them. Really cute. And these, I don't know. It's just, it kind of looks like a little throwaway. I'm pretty sure the people put thought in them, so I feel bad saying that they're like a throwaway, but I'm not impressed by, it looks like stuff that you make with scraps. You know, when you have a paper that's really good and you want to use every little bitty corner of it and then you make stuff like this. But let me know what you think. Maybe it's just me. But thank you so much for watching, and if you want to get this kit, I'm going to have the link below. Well, not this kit, you have to subscribe, but I do know that sometimes when they get kits extra, they sell them, but it's like months after, so. But if you want to subscribe, I'll have the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!